How to see apps you have downloaded from Google Play Store. In this tutorial, I'm going to tell you about how you can see all of the apps that you have downloaded so far from your Google Play Store. So the first thing is you can check by two methods. So I'm just going to show you the first method. Just open your phone settings, scroll down until you see your app settings, and open your apps. And here you have an option to filter your apps. So just tap on these three dots, and here you have special access and other settings. So here you can sort by installed by you. If you tap on it, it will show up every app that you have installed so far and all of these apps right here. So you can see like this. And the other method is you have to go to your Play Store first, and here you can tap on your profile. Just make sure you're logged into any account you have, so just tap on your profile, and here you see an option for manage apps and device. Tap on the option and it will take you to this page. Here is the overview of all of the apps. So now what you want to do is, if you want to check any updates, just tap here. It will show up every available update on your apps. And to manage your apps and see all of your installed apps, tap on manage. And here you can see this filter right here, installed. So all of your installed apps will be shown right here. And that's how you can see apps that you have installed from your Google Play Store. Here you can check for other filters as well, so just you can play around with it, sort it by the names, size, least used, most used, and everything. And I'll see you guys on the next one.